Okay, get this. What if I told you that the secret to creating those amazing, professional-looking product ads wasn't some crazy expensive camera or a high-paid model, but the chatbot you've been using to write emails? Seriously. We've got to dive into this because ChatGPT has a hidden talent that could completely change how you market, well, everything. So, take a good look at this image. I mean, really look at it. You see the model, the super realistic lighting, the natural way she's holding that clutch. It's got all the signs of a premium, totally professional lifestyle photo shoot, right? But is that what it actually is? You guessed it, that's right, the entire scene. I'm talking the model, the background, the lighting, all of it was generated by AI. It was built around one simple photo of that clutch. This thing isn't just a chatbot, it's a powerful visual designer hiding in plain sight. So how in the world do we get from a simple text box to creating images that look this real? Well, we have to start thinking of ChatGPT not just as a writer, but as our very own visual designer. See, this is where most people get it wrong. We think, we give it prompts, it gives us text back. Simple. But its capabilities go so much further. It can literally take a basic picture of your product and build an entire world around it. We're talking compelling, professional-grade visuals without ever picking up a camera. And let's be clear, we're not talking about some cartoonish or obviously AI-looking images. We're talking about photorealism. The whole point is to create something that looks so real, your customers would never, ever guess it was made by an algorithm. And that's the power we're going to tap into today. And you know what the best part is? You don't have to be a tech genius or some graphic design pro to do this. The whole process is surprisingly simple. Let's break down the blueprint into 3 really straightforward steps. Okay, first up, you just upload a photo of your product. It doesn't even have to be perfect, just a basic shot. Next, you tell ChatGPT what its mission is by selecting the Create Image task. And finally, and this is the most crucial part, you write a really detailed prompt to guide the AI. This right here is where the magic happens, the prompt. You can see part of it here, but the full instruction also had these key phrases like natural skin texture, realistic lighting, and premium lifestyle background. These little details are the absolute secret sauce. Think of it like this. The more descriptive you are, the better the AI can see the final image you want. You're basically telling it, hey, make this look like a real photo, not just some graphic. So you followed the steps. You've written the perfect prompt. What happens next? Well, this is where it all comes to life. Let's take a look at the transformation. And boom, here it is. On the left, that's the simple, isolated product photo we uploaded, and on the right, the final result. The AI took that exact product and just seamlessly integrated it into a brand new, super high-quality scene. It honestly looks like a real photo shoot. And the quality? It absolutely holds up. The final image is high resolution. We're talking 1024 by 1536 pixels, which is a perfect size for your Instagram posts or product pages on an e-commerce site. It's not blurry, it's not low quality, it's a ready-to-use professional asset. Okay, so this tech is really cool, but what does it actually mean for your business or, your side hustle? In this last part, let's explore how this turns into a crazy, powerful new marketing tool for you. The big takeaway is this. You can now create a constant stream of professional marketing content without the crazy costs of models and studios. As you can see, this is just perfect for e-commerce sites, social media, anywhere you need to turn a simple product shot into something that tells a story. This tool really democratizes high-end marketing, giving small businesses the power to make visuals that used to be incredibly expensive. And yeah, while the free plan is great to play around with, a pro plan unlocks unlimited images, turning this into a total powerhouse for your brand. What this technology does is it just lowers the barrier to creating amazing advertising. The tools that were once only for the big brands are now right at your fingertips. All you need is an idea and a good prompt. So the only question left is, what are you going to bring to life first?